Hey guys, sorry I wasn't there today. I actually woke up with a pretty good sore throat, and of course, with all the chaos, I didn't want to risk it with anybody and maybe have you guys catch something that could lead to a bigger thing. So, thankfully, I'm feeling better today though. But you guys now, I'm sure, got the information that school tomorrow for Friday is going to be canceled, and then Monday is going to start remote learning. So, kind of bummed I wasn't there today to just check this with you guys, but I actually published our Canvas page, and I didn't do anything too crazy in it, but I just wanted to set you guys up with what you need to do with it, at least for me, because I'll have to take attendance every single day. So it should be pretty easy. I know my formatting will look different than yours, but on this, this is my view, so I'm going to go to student view. So you guys should only then see this stuff over here. Some of you already replied to a discussion thread that I did and just like, what are your concerns with the possibility of school closing? Mainly, though, what I want to do is I want you guys to take a quiz, which I can call them quizzes or surveys, but I want to do a test run today or if I came back tomorrow. But you guys can do this right now just at home. If you click on this test run, what I can do is I can just give you guys a simple question. Just, I think I'll just make them kind of random, but there's not necessarily a right or wrong. It's just if you reply when you reply, that'll be your attendance for the morning, which I believe I'll double check this all and write it down on announcements, but I believe it has to be by 8:15. I think just our regular start time, or maybe at the end 8:45. But if you actually click one of these, then do submit, I'll be able to open them up and see that you guys did it, and that will be your attendance for the day. We'll keep using this, and I'll kind of send you guys reminds and just new things and video tutorials just so that we can communicate well. If you guys ever want to reach out to me, just go ahead and email me, guys, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. All right. Take care, guys. Stay healthy.